Okay, I'm going to walk you through Storify. We talked about this in class, but I thought I might show you exactly some step-by-step tips on how to do it. First of all, like I mentioned, you'll need to create a Storify account, and that will give you a profile. And the page will look like this when you first start out, and you will want to create a story. You will create a public story because you want to share the link on our class Facebook page when you are done. I'm going to actually look for a draft here. And show you one that I've already started. Okay, this is how your page will look. Everything will be blank, and you're going to fill it in. So first you'll start with the headline. You want to have something helpful for your classmates. So the date maybe would be helpful. Notes from the September 8th lecture is fine. Then you move into the summary or introduction, and this is where you'll talk about what the class lecture was about. So now you're ready to bring in your tweets. You go to the right side of the page and you will see the different social media channels. We're going to be looking for Twitter. There are lots of ways you can search Twitter: by images, by timeline, by user, favorites, list. We are going to just search plain old everyday search, and because we are going to be looking for the hashtag J491. So enter that and your tweets will show up. There will be more of them, obviously, and this is where you can then bring them into the Storify. You can do that one at a time if you'd like, or you can hit this button and bring them all in. That might be a little problematic if you have a lot of tweets, because it might make it more difficult to rearrange them if you want, but it's up to you. So you can see that I've brought in this tweet, and then I maybe would want to add like an introduction to this tweet, or just some kind of clarification. One of the points made in the lecture was about using social media to help you develop story ideas. We discussed ways we could use Twitter lists. Okay. Let's say I want to bring in a couple more tweets on a different subject. So I'll add some more text. Okay, so the point is you want to provide any links maybe that were in the lecture that would be helpful to your classmates. You want to provide some overall context. You want to clarify things if you think they need to be clarified. Anything that you can help your classmates better understand the notes and material. When you are done, you can see that Storify is saving this automatically as I go. But when you are done and you've read through and corrected any typos and found any mistakes and you're happy with it, come up here to the right and hit publish. That will give you a link, a URL that you can copy and paste to the Facebook page. That's essentially it for Storify. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.